Morning children, I hope you all are fine. Children, we were on chapter 15 tenses and we have learned about present tense, the simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect. Present perfect tense. Now you all have done your exercise also. So come on, the topic past tense. Okay, so today we are going to learn about past tense. The past tense shows actions that happened to have completed in the past. Let us learn about the different kinds of past tense. The past tense shows action that happened or have completed in the past. Let us learn about the different kinds of past tense. The first is simple past tense, past continuous tense and past perfect tense. Children, what is past tense? We use this tense to talk about an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. Means that is done already in the past. The work or the action that has done already in the past, it is included in past tense. So, example of past tense, Priya wrote a letter to her father. Means she has already Priya wrote a letter to his father. So it is included in past tense. So simple past tense. First we are going to know what is simple past tense. As usual children, the past tense is used to describe an action that took place sometime in the past or to describe some past habit. As in simple present. As in simple present, it is the simple past tense used to describe an action that took place some time in the past or to describe some past habit. Okay, like an example, she opened the book, he played the match, they entered the room. See here children, the first thing of simple past tense is the formation of the sentence is the first we write the subject, then the second form of the verb, then the object. Okay, we use in simple past tense, we use only the second form of the verb with the subject and object. Like here, she opened the book. I have already given you the example. Priya wrote a letter to her father. So write is the first form, wrote is the second form and third is written. So in simple past tense, we use the second form of the verb. As here, he played the match. Opened is also second form, played is second form and entered is also the second form here. They entered the room. These are the simple assertive sentence. And about simple past tense, when we write the sentence in negative, we write first the sub-present like she. We use the helping verb did. Okay, we use the helping verb did in simple past tense. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इन एज ए निगेटिव सेंटेंस में सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के हम डिड का यूज करते हैं. एज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट वी यूज डज एंड डिड डू एंड डज. एज वी यूज हियर डिड. शी डिड नॉट ओपन द बुक. ओके, ओपन, व्हेन वी एडेड हियर डिड वी रिमूव द ईडी फ्रॉम सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जब हम डिड लगाते हैं ईडी यहां से रिमूव हो जाता है. सो शी डिड नॉट ओपन द बुक. हियर he did not play the match. They did not enter the room. As it is, this is simple. And when we write the interrogative sentence of simple past tense, we use did before the starting of the sentence. Like, did she open the book? Did he play the match? And did they enter the room? Understand? Now, come on past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense for actions which were going on at a particular time in the past. For example, boys were playing football, girls were singing in the party, my mother was cleaning the room. As I told you before, the present continuous tense, we use was and verb as a helping verb in this tense. Okay, in past continuous tense we use first subject, then helping verb was or were. was used with singular number subject and were used with plural number subject. Then after ing with the first form of the verb, then after object. Like here, boys were playing football, because boys is plural number here, so we use were. If here is boy, boy was playing football. Okay, here girls, so girls is plural number subject, so use here were. My mother is a singular number, so we use here was. So as the present continuous tense, we use were, was and were with the ing form in first form of the verb. Okay, this is the simple past continuous, simple sentence of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, it is used to describe an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. Okay, or that was going on when something also else happened. And I hope you understand, means it has already done in the past, but now continue has here. Like in Hindi we can say my mother was cleaning the room. Okay, my mother was cleaning, mean in the past it has already done, कर रही थी वो ये काम. And when we change this simple sentence into negative, we write here my mother was not cleaning the room. We use not between the helping verb and the first form of the verb. Like my mother was not cleaning the room, girls were not singing in the party, and boys were not playing football. Okay, and as a interrogative sentence, we use helping verb were and was before the starting of the sentence. Like here, were boys playing football? It is interrogative sentence of past continuous. Were girls singing in the party? And was mother cleaning the room? Was my mother cleaning the room? Understand? The simple sentence, the negative and the interrogative of past continuous tense. So please keep in your mind the formation of the sentence. Like how could you write here? Now come on past perfect tense. We use past perfect tense for an action which completed before some other action in the past. For example, the train had gone before I reached the station. The train had stopped before the children reached school. So what is past perfect tense? We can say when two action take place in the past, we use the past perfect tense to show which happened first. Okay, like here, the train had gone. Two types of sentences here na. The train had gone, train जा चुकी थी before I reached the station, मेरे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले. So there are two types of sentence, and in this tense, past perfect tense, we use the past perfect tense to show which happened first. Same as here, the train had stopped before the children reached a school. Okay. Example is, Grandpa had just gone to bed when the doorbell rang. Okay. Grandpa had just gone to bed when the doorbell rang. So here, see, as I told you before, in present perfect tense, has and have, we use in past tense the had, both the singular and the plural number subject. Whatever it is singular number subject, whatever it is plural number subject, we use had, only had, with the third form of the verb. Not first, not second, we use the third form of the verb in past perfect tense. Like here, the train had gone. Go, went, gone. Go is the first form, went is the second form, and gone is the third form. Okay? So, we use past perfect. In past perfect tense, the formation of the sentence is the subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Understand? The past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect tense. In simple sentence, in simple past tense, we use the subject, second form of the verb, and the object. In past continuous, we use was and were with the ing form in first form of the verb, and in past perfect tense, the subject and plus had and third form of the verb. Okay? Understand all of you? The example of Simple past tense is Priya wrote a letter to her father. The example of past continuous tense, Ria was talking to her mother. And the past perfect, as grandpa had just gone to bed when the doorbell ring. Yeah, we can say that he had finished his work yesterday. So this is also the example of present perfect tense. And about past continuous tense, like he was sleeping yesterday. Yeah, the boys were playing the match. The boys were playing in the match playing the match in the garden, yeah, in the ground. Okay, understand? The simple past continuous tense, past continuous tense and the past perfect tense. Now children, see here exercise D. Write the simple past form of the verb given in the box and complete the sentence. You know the simple past form means the second form of the verb. You use this here to complete these sentences. So children, you will do the exercise D and E. Okay, D and E with yourself in your book with good, clean and clear writing. Thank you.